SWARK Smart Coffee Warmer for desk, cup warmer with automatic shut-off for office home use, electric cup beverage plate for candle, water, cocoa, milk, imitation wood grain. Auto power off mug warmer for desk use with coffee, tea, milk, hot cocoa or your candle wax, built-in automatic shutdown function that works after 4 hours. No longer worry about forgetting to turn off the coffee heater. Certainly, you can also turn it off by touching the on-off button. Energy and electricity saving coffee warmer for desk use. It has 19W low power heat focusing, fast heating. Warm your beverage at a desirable temperature, 131. It's a very suitable temperature for drinking. For suitable mug, a thin-walled, flat-bottom mug will have the best warmth-retaining performance. Suitable for tableware, metal, ceramic, enamel, tile, high-temperature plastic, glassware, etc. Waterproof design, FCC and UL certificated, patented waterproof design, stylish smooth silver layer on the top make it easy to clean and assure you no concerns for security issues as it's made of flame retardant materials. Best gift choice, beautiful and compact design, easy to tote and take anywhere, keep the beverages warm all day. It will be your best gift choice on Mother's, Father's Day, Thanksgiving, Christmas or other special occasions. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.